Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Evans local and long-distance movers. Near me. We provide you with comprehensive information to ensure you acquire premium moving services. If you are searching for the appropriate moving company, you have come to the right place. We have the right skills, professionalism, and the right expertise to ensure our long-distance moves are problem-free. All our long-distance moving services are accredited, and we have a BBB accreditation, making us your reliable partner in all moving services. Our reputation is unquestionable. We have also adopted innovative moving technology and logistics to ensure the movement is hassle-free. Some of our primary services as long-distance movers include packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. We offer world-class local moving services. Our Georgia movers will walk with you through the entire process of moving from packing to the last stage of unpacking, disassembling your assets. If you plan to move to a new apartment, condo, or office, we are your reliable local movers in Evans. Our team of Evans local movers will help you get to your new home faster. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Evans moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.